Today we're working on the 73 Charger again. Going to be test fitting this power bulge hood I got from AMD in Gainesville, Georgia. With my brother-in-law Steve. Always glad to help.
Howdy doody.
Alright. Shit. Alright, so I'm going to clean up some of these old parts and paint them. What do you think, Steve?
Yep.
This is 1973 right on it.
1973, you'll hear. Right off that blood off that goddamn thing right there. Mud all up on your head with my goddamn shit, man. Get shit off your blood.
Put some primer on them. Looking pretty good. Don't mess with that. No, no, no. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. That satin finish is actually pretty cool. I almost hate to paint it white, but I want it to match the rest of the car. No need washing a car this time of year in Georgia. It's only been out here for like 5 minutes. Alright, got the original hood off. And getting ready to pull this piece of trim off here. And then we'll box it up and test fit the new hood.
Go ahead and try it. Oh, okay. Yeah, shit. Alright, that's all you do. I'll get the other side.
JJ, come here and clean this thing up. The original hood over here in the box right now.
This son bitch make up on the goddamn car right now. Gonna put the fucking latch on. Gonna put the roof back on. Then put the hitches back on. It's gonna work like switching watches.
Okay, you got first coat of black on here. Alright, you got it on. Haven't tightened it down all the way yet. Haven't lowered it yet. Okay, I haven't put the latches on yet, so it doesn't go down all the way. Pretty sharp black there. It's actually pretty aggressive looking. Okay, got these started. Running a tap through the hole number 3. So we had a little bit of a tight fit on the driver's side, a little bit of a gap on the passenger side. The hoop here was getting pulled to the driver's side a little bit when it latched in here, so we had to loosen this whole thing up, kind of get it to lean a little bit more towards the passenger side, and now we're going to align the hinges up a little bit better, see if we can get it square. So this gap actually looks really good all the way up. I can live with that. And it's lined up pretty good there. I got to put that chrome trim to cover that unsightly gap straight down. You can see it's not visible, but when you're looking at it like that, it really is. This sits at this little high spot right here, and the gap is a little wider on this side. Probably looks a lot wider in the video than it is on the other side. So the whole hood needs to kind of sit a little bit towards the passenger side. But not bad for second time around. And we can get it closer. So I'm going to take the chrome trim off the old hood. Just these Phillips head screws. And I'll have to drill new holes on the new hood. Alright, so I got the original chrome piece off the hood. This is it right here. It's going to go right on there like that and kind of cover up that gap a little bit. Interesting thing is all those screws I pulled out and like none of them match. Maybe 2 or 3 of them match, but they're almost all different. Alright, I got it parked out in the sunlight so I can make sure I see everything straight. Got it lined up good to drill some holes. Dang on, talking about dang on. Okay, I just voided my warranty big time.
Yes, you did.
And because I'm gonna put the letters on. Got a quilt underneath there to catch any metal shavings.
There you go.
Line up, Steve.
You're lined up real nice right there, man. That's a damn good job right there, son.
Alright.
There's nothing wrong with this car, man.
Okay, I got one of them knocked in and it fits snug, so I'm not gonna hammer it down too much. It looks good. It's lined up perfect. What do you think, Steve?
That's goddamn good, man, right now.
Alright, time to do the next side. Alright, we got both hammered in now. Looks pretty good and straight over here. Pretty good and straight over here. I'm happy with that. Alright, ready? Steve's back from the dentist.
Howdy.
Now we're going to put this trim up here. I'm going to hold it while Steve marks it with this silver Sharpie.
From the inside out? Yeah, I'll try it in. What do you want to do?
Got it?
All right, we're going with that down.
Put a little couple speed nuts on the back just to secure it in place. Keep them from coming off at high speeds. Lunch break.
Here we go.
Is it snug?
All right, we got 2 more to go.
One left.
There's one. Oh yeah, 1 more to go. Well, I'm getting a bad angle here. Alrighty. All right.
All right, got it done. Check it out. All right, well, it's kind of dirty and handprints all over it, but there you go. Ready for the celebratory cruise.
Hell yeah. Got the bulge hood going on right there, man. That's sharp, man. That's some sharp shit.
All right, well, we got it on, and you know, it fits as good as you would expect a aftermarket hood to fit on a nearly 50-year-old car. I got a pretty tight gap here. On the passenger side, it's a little bit larger of a gap, and it gets larger. But all in all, I'm satisfied with it. I'm real happy with the way it looks. Can't wait to paint it.